Welcome! In this lesson, we will solve for x in the equation. We will go slowly, step by step, and explain every move so nothing is skipped. First, write the problem clearly and note the key structure. Both fractions have the same denominator. Before we combine, remember the domain restriction. The denominator cannot be 0. So x plus 1 cannot be 0, which means x is not equal to -1. Step 1. Combine the fractions. Since the denominators match, add the numerators directly. Step 2. Clear the denominator. Multiply both sides by the quantity x plus 1 squared. This cancels the denominator on the left. Step 3. Expand and multiply. The square of x plus 1 equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now multiply that entire expression by 10. Step 4. Move everything to one side. Subtract x squared and 2 from both sides to make the left side 0. Step 5. Use the quadratic formula. X equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a, for it equals 9, b equals 20, and c equals 8. Substitute the coefficients and simplify carefully. Replace a, b, and c in the formula. Compute the discriminant. 20 squared minus 4 times 9 times 8 equals 112. Now simplify the square root. 112 equals 16 times 7, so the square root of 112 equals 4 times the square root of 7. Reduce the fraction by dividing numerator and denominator by 2. Finally, check the domain restriction. Recall x is not equal to -1. Our solutions are approximately -0.523 and -1.699, so neither equals -1. Both are valid. Summary. We combined the fractions, cleared the denominator, expanded and collected terms, used the quadratic formula, simplified, and verified the domain. The solutions for x are shown here. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.